Exactly how you fight a fight drill, although you could fight like this. On the real fight stress, for me, elbows deteriorate fast. Although when I start with it, but when I'm in my limbic system, hammer fist comes out for me. But that said, there are people with less height, then maybe this can work very well as a beatdown tool. So I just want to give you this blitz tactic from elbows. It's just for the purpose of tool development, but also how you get more power. Because if I get rotation with just my dominant side elbow, right? In this position I get this, it works fine. Why not, if I need to fight my way out, go more with constant forward defensive pressure while I'm rotating. So I get this, when I dig in, you see I get my whole body weight behind it. So if I dig into a drill that works both sides, I would first go dominant side, now I would directly go into this side, so I force myself to digging forward, and again. And I want them hard, so not this shit. And then when we have this, I want you to think more, close yourself down, so hand in front of my face, elbow, this hand in front of my face, elbow, elbow, shoot, 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 shoot. Get into the center. Yes, use the points of your elbow to get this penetrating effect while you cross body weight in. That's going to add something, right? Just for the purpose of understanding how can I use my elbows in a hostile crowd. It's literally boom, 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 get out. Maybe you need to protect your head. So isolate this drill first, and then we connect it. So what I'm going to do right now is just protect my head and present points. It's going to be really against my body weight against him, right? So if you're lighter, then you still want to put emphasis on that, this spike, right? I just want to see you do this, from this, and reset. Get the acceleration from the back foot in. Really dig it in. Then it's his turn. Good. What you want to do in this dynamic, don't open too much. Otherwise you create collision effect. So instead of doing that could work, why not do this? Yeah. See that? Yes. Now I hit his hand a bit, but it didn't damage me. From this position, conversation range to get that aggression in. Yes?
Yes.
Let's go. When people do this, they open up. People say you should always look at your enemy. Of course you do, but I'm still looking at my enemy, you fucking idiot. I'm looking in between. Because the most annoying comment you can give is, you should never take your eyes off. I don't need this. Understand, on a real fight stress you have tunnel vision already. So it becomes fucking small, so you better get used to this then. When you collapse, don't do that. Because he has hands too, right? Just one, protect and then go in. As hostile as possible, right? Instead of only defending, I want to go from this position to close, and look, I'm still seeing. It's a very small gap, but I'm still seeing. And I don't need to see exactly, I just want to spike something what is in front of me that gives me a threat, right? So now we're going to combine them. Be careful with it. So this is a thing you want to take in consideration. Do not damage your partner. So grab it like that. Don't fuck up your own hand. Right, and to the left, and then we will go to get them together, right? It's going to be. So it needs some footwork. So the first one is digging in. In this dynamic I will dig in, and now I need to reset and go forward again. You see? Now he was really going against me, but I still move him, right? So you want to make it now, once you get it, as small as possible. So don't do this. Get rotation in. Close myself up. Do it again. Unit. So small, small, boom. Yes, don't become sloppy. Because the next step in this drill is I make distance with elbow, elbow, now he comes forward. Now he wants to feel my collision effect. Yes? I promise you I will not do this. I have to at least give me that. So I need to make it small. I do not want to hit them. Right? So do not go, because it's a tool development drill for extreme close quarters too, right? I'm just doing the whole drill I just did, but now I need to work for my protection. Otherwise, you guys will knock me on the head. Try to see what comes out, right? I just dig my way through. When everybody's hitting me, they do it with aggression. Not like a fucking, I don't know, hit me as fucking hard as you can, with as much hate that you have for me, because I know you guys hate me once in a while. So use this, beat me the fuck up, right? You start first. Ready? I will go this spike. Make sense?
Yeah.
Let's go. Do it again. But nobody's giving me aggression. There's no aggression. There's no hate behind the punch. That's very uncomfortable already, and it's just simple pat. Didn't I hurt anybody? No, right? No. Close by. Let's go aggression. Let's go. Let's go. It's chaos. But it's fun to do. Yes? Let's go.